Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone considering renting a self-storage unit, the things you should avoid storing in there. Whether you're decluttering, moving, or just trying to make some extra space at home, knowing these no-gos can save you a lot of headaches down the line. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised what counts as hazardous. We're talking about anything flammable, like gasoline, paint thinner, or fireworks. These items pose a serious risk not just to your unit, but the entire facility. For everyone's safety, keep them out. Avoid storing things like produce, dairy, or any food that can spoil. Not only can they attract pests, but they can also create unpleasant odors and potentially damage your belongings or those in nearby units. Stick to non-perishables if you need to store food items. While it might seem like a good idea to store plants temporarily, the lack of sunlight and air circulation in a storage unit can quickly lead to their demise. Plus, they can attract insects and pests, which is a big no-no. This one should go without saying, but never store animals or pets in a self-storage unit. It's not only inhumane, but also illegal. Pets need proper care, food, water, and ventilation, none of which a storage unit can provide. Always make arrangements for your furry friends elsewhere. Lastly, think twice before storing sensitive documents or electronics. Extreme temperatures can damage electronics, and important documents could be at risk in environments that aren't climate-controlled. Consider special storage options for these items, or keep them in a secure place at home. Remember, the key to effective storage is not just organizing your belongings, but also knowing what items are better off kept at home or disposed of safely. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a storage solution that's safe, secure, and clean, be sure to check out www.arcostorage.com. We've got a variety of options to meet your needs and ensure that your belongings are well taken care of. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy storing.